Karnataka's governor has returned two key bills for further clarification while giving assent to 19 others. Among the returned bills are the Karnataka Scheduled Caste Sub-Classification Bill and the Shree Chamundeshwari Kshetra Development Authority and certain other laws amendment bill. Out of the 22 bills presented in the Assembly, 19 have already been approved and published in the official gazette, making a major legislative step forward. The government will now carefully review the two returned bills, seeking clarifications before moving ahead, keeping the lawmakers and the public on an edge. Meanwhile, the hate speech and the hate crime prevention bill is still under consideration. It proposes fines of up to 1 lakh rupees and imprisonment of up to 7 years for violations, an issue that has triggered widespread debate. Political analysts say that these developments could impact the upcoming state policies and potentially influence social and community dynamics across Karnataka. As the government reviews the returned bills, eyes remain on Bengaluru. Will these bills get approval or will more debate follow?
ಸರ್ ದ್ವೇಷ ಭಾಷಣ ಬಿಲ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ದ್ವೇಷ ಭಾಷಣ ಬಿಲ್
ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಅವರು ನೋಡಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ